Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about ethanoic acid, its physical properties as well as chemical properties. Let's start. When we talk about ethanoic acid, the functional group present in the ethanoic acid is what? A carboxylic acid. That is COOH. So no, it is most commonly known as acetic acid. Very important. Okay. Its dilute solution in water, that is 5 to 8%, is known as vinegar. Okay. Let's discuss first the physical properties. It is a vinegar smelling liquid. The lower carboxylic acids are generally liquids, whereas higher members are solid. Okay. Second one, it is sour in taste. Third property, it has a boiling point of 391 Kelvin. If you want to convert it to the degree Celsius, you have to subtract 273. Yes or no? So once you subtract, you will get 118 degrees Celsius. The boiling point is 118 degrees Celsius. Next, it is soluble in water in all proportion. Okay, fifth one, it freezes at 290 Kelvin or 17 degrees Celsius. Thus, in cold weather, okay, crystallization of acids may take place. That is why pure acetic acid is called as glacial acetic acid. This question may be asked in the board exam. Why carboxylic acid or ethanoic acid is called as glacial acetic acid? Because its freezing point is just 17 degrees Celsius. So in cold weather it crystallizes into solid. Yes or no? So because of that it is called as glacial acetic acid. Okay, let's discuss the chemical properties. Okay, so as it is an acid, so it will, so almost all the properties of acid, like it will react with a metal, it may react with a base, it may react with a metal carbonates. We will discuss one by one. First one, reaction with metal. As we know that whenever acid reacts with metal, it gives you salt plus hydrogen. Similarly here, ethanoic acid CH3COOH react with sodium, it gives you what? CH3COONA, that is sodium ethanoate or acetate, plus hydrogen gas is involved. Try to understand what is happening. This hydrogen, two molecule of hydrogen, like two atom of hydrogen forms what? H2, right now, and 2 Na comes and attach here. So it is what? Two times of CH3COONA. That is sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. It is salt and hydrogen gas involved. Next, reaction with the base. As we all know that acid react with a base, it gives you salt and water. Similarly here also, ethanoic acid CH3COOH react with a base NaOH, it gives you salt CH3COONA, that is sodium acetate plus water is formed. This is called as neutralization reaction. This is neutralization reaction. Next, reaction with the metal carbonates or bicarbonates. Generally, we know that acid react with metal carbonates or bicarbonates. It gives you salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Similarly, here only ethanoic acid CH3COOH react with sodium carbonate Na2CO3. It gives you water CH3COONA, that is sodium ethanoate plus H2O, which is water, and carbon dioxide CO2. Whenever ethanoic acid react with sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3, okay, it form water, sodium ethanoate, salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Products are same, only balancing you see here. 2 moles are there. Okay, here only 1 mole will react. Next, it's a very important question. It is 10-star question. Very important. Expected question in the board exam. What mean by esterification reaction? What happens? Ethanoic acid react with ethanol. It gives you fruity smelling compound called ester in the presence of H2SO4. Okay, so let's discuss CH3COOH, that is what? Ethanoic acid. Whenever react with ethanol, CH3CH2OH, it will form ester. Okay, CH3COOCH2CH3, that is ethyl ethanoate. It is a ester plus water is formed. Okay, so ester is a fruity smelling compound. It is used in perfumes. It is used in water, ice creams and all. Next, saponification reaction, very important. Let's discuss first saponification reaction. It is a process in which an ester reacts with a sodium hydroxide to form sodium salt of acid and alcohol is formed. Okay, for example, ethyl ethanoate, which is a ester, when it reacts with the sodium hydroxide. So what will happen? CH3COONA, that is sodium acetate ethanoate is formed or acetate is formed, plus this OH will react with C2H5, that is ethanol is formed. Is it clear? So this is called a saponification reaction, and saponification reaction is used for the preparation of soap. This is actually soap is what? RCOONA. This is the formula for soap. The R may be a bigger alkyl group, more than 12. Okay, here just CH3 is a lower alkyl group, ethyl ethanoate. Okay, ethyl ethanoate. So sodium acetate we say. Sodium ethanoate is this. Okay. Try to understand the soaps and synthetic detergents. When we talk about soaps, soaps are the sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids. Okay, fatty acids are carboxylic acids containing 12 or more carbon atoms. For example, C15H31 COH. This is called as palmitic acid. Okay. Similarly, C17H35 COOH. It is called as stearic acid. Okay. So you should remember these two. When we talk about the soap formula, so C17H35 COONA. This is what a sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. This is the formula for soap. Stearate. From a stearic acid is formed. What is the advantage of soap? It is generally cheaper and readily available. Okay, next, it is biodegradable. It means it can be decomposed by the microorganisms in the sewage. Okay, and it works well with soft water only for cleaning purpose. It does not give a good lather with hard water. I hope you understood all the important reactions of ethanoic acid. Please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.